Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, can introduce your name?
Hi, my name is Peter Fu.
Okay.
I'm from KL. Yes.
Yeah, so the first question,
Yeah.
Mr. Peter, is how long already you use OKA Food Detox?
Long time, more than 10 years.
Wow.
We've been using for the longest time when you first came out until now. We're very happy with the product.
I
Yeah.
see. So what is the main reason why you use OKA Food Detox?
Oh, the reason is very effective, very good, and it helps to clean all the food that we've been eating. Before that, we were not happy what we were eating. It wasn't clean enough. So after using your machine, I find it very useful.
Very useful.
Yeah.
Do you think that the chemical intake is removed?
Yeah, remove, especially chemical intake, all those things that you have all this benefit. So we continue using. So now I upgrade to the new machine.
Why so many now? Why four?
My family are using, not only me. All my children using, so that's the reason why I bring back all the home order and take all 4 for them at one time.
How long already? 10 years?
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years
More
already.
than 10 years now.
Wow.
Long time.
Alright,
Good job, good job.
Would you recommend to other
Yes,
people?
yes, please.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
For
use
the
this
mother?
product for all of us. Please come and use this product. I highly recommend. Thanks.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Peter. Alright.
Yeah.